Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up AWS account MFA with Google Authenticator, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log into your AWS account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate and click on your account name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select My Security Credentials. Scroll down to the Multi-Factor Authentication section. Click on Assign MFA. You will be presented with options for MFA devices. Choose Virtual MFA Device and click on Continue. Now, open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a new account. Select Scan a QR code. Return to the AWS console and click on Show QR Code. Point your mobile device's camera at the QR code to scan it. Once scanned, the Google Authenticator app will generate a verification code. Go back to the AWS console and enter the first code displayed in the app. Wait for the next code to generate. Enter the second code in the AWS console. Click on Assign MFA. You should see a confirmation message indicating that MFA has been enabled. Make sure to save any recovery codes provided, as they can help you regain access if needed. It's important to test your MFA setup. Log out of your AWS account. Attempt to log back in using your username and password. You will be prompted to enter the MFA code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Open the app, locate the AWS entry, and enter the current code. If successfully logged in, you've set up MFA correctly. Congratulations on enhancing your AWS account security. Remember to keep your backup codes in a safe place. You are now ready to use AWS with added protection from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.